Hello, my name is Amanda Augustine. I'm a certified professional career coach, resume writer, and the resident career expert at Career.io, the only platform designed to guide you through every stage of your lifelong career journey. In this video series, I'll provide you with practical tips and short exercises you can complete to immediately improve your job search and career success. Today, we're going to talk about how you can use job listings to build a strong base resume. Today, we're going to talk about how you can use job listings to build a strong base resume. Whenever you're about to apply for a job, it's important to compare your resume to the specific job listing to make sure your application really speaks to the position's responsibilities and requirements. That's why I love that Career.io's Resume Builder includes a feature that allows you to do just that. That said, when you're initially creating your resume or giving your old resume a really good overhaul, it's easier to craft this document, what I call your foundational or your base resume, when you have a job goal in mind. That way, you can be sure your resume is already positioned to support your overall job goal, and you'll likely only need to make minor tweaks to its content when you're applying for a specific job. So let's talk about building your base resume. I suggest exploring Career.io's job search tool to find 3 to 5 job listings that represent the type of role you're interested in and qualified to perform. It doesn't matter if the job is located in a place you'd never live or if the company is no longer accepting applications. All we're interested in for the purpose of this exercise is the actual job description and its list of requirements. Once you've collected these job listings, copy and paste the text of each job description and its requirements into a Google or Word document. Ignore the parts that describe the company and the whole bit about being an equal opportunity employer. We only care about the information that explains what the person will do and what qualifications are required or desired. Then, highlight or bold any phrases in the listings that describe your experience and skills. This will help you identify which of your qualifications should be showcased throughout your resume, and if there are any skill gaps you'll need to fill in order to become a more qualified candidate. Also, look for patterns. What terms or phrases show up multiple times across most of the job descriptions? If you like, you can take this content and plug it into a free word cloud generator or a generative AI tool like ChatGPT to learn which keywords are most frequently used so you can be sure to incorporate them throughout your resume. If you get stuck, our Resume Builder offers AI assistance with pre-written phrases. You can also create an initial draft of your resume using your LinkedIn profile. I highly recommend checking these features out. Once you have created your base resume and saved it on Career.io, you can compare it against a specific job listing and optimize it further before applying for that job. And that's it for now. I'm Amanda Augustine for Career.io. Whether you want to find a new job, excel in your career, or make a career change, Career.io's platform has all the tools and services you need all in one place.